If you're a Rotary ID customer, to the right of the milking screen, you have the action bar. This area of the action bar can be filled with quick events. To do this, click on Menu, Settings, Milking Layout, select the layout you wish to add them to. In this case there's only one, the default layout. Click Edit, go to the Quick Events tab, and use this feature here to add quick events. I'm going to add a few carving events and just a health event. Update quick events to layout. You can change the order that these events display in just by using these up and down arrows. I want this health event to be at the top, so I just push it up to the top. Once I'm happy with that order, save, go back to the milking screen, and all the quick events that I selected are now here on the milking screen.